Ask her. Learn how to ask a woman something in Hindi. You are brave. You can do this. Chalo, let's go learn Hindi.
नमस्कार, हरा धनिया बारीक कटा हुआ 1 टेबलस्पून और सबको बहुत
Today on the 30-day Hindi challenge, we're going to be looking at the feminine present tense ending for op. Yesterday, we learned the masculine present tense ending for op, which was te. Today, we're learning the feminine present tense ending, which is ti. Now, you'll notice this is exactly the same as the feminine present tense ending for may or I. So it's not a lot to learn. It's nothing different. But just remember that this is the feminine present tense ending both for may and for op when speaking to a woman. Our second vocabulary word of the day is dal. Dal. Dal means lentils. Our final vocabulary word of the day is rus. Rus means juice. Rus, rus. Our grammar key for today is आप दाल खाती है. आप दाल खाती है. You eat lentils. Now, let's break this down. आप, you, and in this case, we're speaking to a woman using the pronoun आप. आप दाल, lentils. Khati. Where did we get the khati? It's from our verb khana, which means to eat. And we take off the na, so we're left with the root of the verb, which is ka. And we add our ending, our tense ending, which in this case is ti, because we're speaking to a woman using op. So आप दाल खाती, and we still need our helping verb है. आप दाल खाती है. You eat dal. And we could also change the verb and change the object that we're working with here. आप रस पीती है. You drink juice. Pina is our verb to drink. We drop the na. We add ti, which is our present tense ending, which agrees with op in the feminine. And again, we have our helping verb hai. Aap ras piti hai. You drink juice. Now again, these are just statements, and it's not very common to go around just making statements about people. We're more likely going to be wanting to ask them a question. So we're going to add kya to the beginning of this to make it a question. क्या आप दाल खाती है? Do you eat dal? क्या आप रस पीती है? Do you drink juice? Now all of a sudden we are equipped with a much more powerful question that we can ask people. Yesterday we learned how to ask men things, and today we have learned how to ask a question of a woman. Now let's spend a little bit of time drilling this. We're going to drill this as if we are communicating with a woman and as if she is giving us a response. So let's go ahead and get started with that. क्या आप दाल खाती है? क्या आप दाल खाती है? Do you eat lentils? To which she would respond, हाँ, मैं दाल खाती हूँ. हाँ, मैं दाल खाती हूँ. Yes, I eat lentils. क्या आप रस पीती है? क्या आप रस पीती है? Do you drink juice? To which she would respond, हाँ, मैं रस पीती हूँ. हाँ, मैं रस पीती हूँ. Yes, I drink juice. क्या आप सब्जी खाती हैं? क्या आप सब्जी खाती हैं? Do you eat vegetables? To which she would respond, हाँ, मैं सब्जी खाती हूँ. हाँ, मैं सब्जी खाती हूँ. All right, that is our drill for today. I hope that you learned a lot. I hope that you were able to understand and comprehend this grammatical construction. If you had a little bit of a challenge with it, maybe go back to yesterday's or go over the lesson again until you are really able to understand this and grasp this, and then continue to drill as if you're asking a woman questions. All right, thanks for joining us today for the 30-Day Hindi Challenge. We'll see you back here tomorrow.